To become good at something, you need to practice it well. To become a good chess player, you need to practice a few games every day or every week. Playing one game per week or spending just 1 hour on chess will not take you to that stage of a good chess player. So, practice is necessary, right? Now, the question that many people face is how do you practice? Like a player who has just started playing online, who's new to everything, will wonder what can I do to practice games? Apart from playing with friends or family, what else can I do to practice online? So, this video will cover that, and also for an experienced player, how to use the resources that are available online to play. So, let me first tell you how a beginner or someone who's new to the idea of playing online can use online resources to play, to practice. So basically, you need to play games. Like to practice, the first thing is you need to play games. Second, you can do tactics. These are the two things a beginner can do. And to play a game, you can go to chess.com. So you can either you have to log in. I'm already logged in. Login will appear here. You go to play. Either click on play or click on live chess. This will take you to the place where the games actually happen. Now you click on play. Select the time control for the game. You can select any time, like you can select 10 minutes. Better for a beginner or someone who's new, it's better to select at least 15 bar 10, means 10-second increment. Or if you click on more, you can select more times. 30 minutes would be perfect. It will be a lot of time, right? So I would usually play a 15 bar 10 game and I'll click on play. And you'll get some opponent from some part of the world. All right. So once you get the opponent, the game will start. So let's say I play e4 and the game starts. He'll make his moves. And once the game ends, you can analyze it afterwards. So this is the first way to use chess.com to practice. Play games. Play like 2-3 games every day and you will get good at it. So once the game is over, you can actually just close this. And if you want to analyze the game, see what the mistakes were, what were the good moves, you can click on analysis. And it will take you to the window where the mistakes and all the good moves will be shown. Like you have to give it some time, like a few seconds for it to analyze. And you can see the analysis, how many good moves, how many bad moves. And if you go through each of your moves, it will show you what are the mistakes. Mistakes are in yellow, blunders will be, big mistakes will be in red. So playing is one way to improve, to practice. The second is you can do tactics, you can do puzzles. That's the second thing. You can go to puzzles, click on puzzles, and you will be given questions. Basically, the positions where you have to find the winning move. Like training, click on start. For a basic member, you can do 5 puzzles per day. So doing 5 questions per day is actually good. So here, for example, it's black to play and win. And black can win, I think, by playing rook here, threatening mate. And bishop gives a check. We just take it or move it. Let's see. If you take it, then there'll be another check, and king moves, there'll be more checks. If you move, yeah, we can just take it. Oh, we cannot take it. Oh my god, that was a mistake. Bishop check, we have to move. Yeah, so basically, I lost a few rating because I got it wrong. I should have moved because if I take, then there's queen c2, and then when king moves, there is knight check. So all those checks will come. So it's better to just move here. And now this mate is unstoppable. Anyway, so this is the second way of practicing, doing questions every day, doing tactics every day. It keeps you sharp. It keeps you in touch with the game. So these are the two things a beginner or someone who's new to playing online can do to practice between classes. Now, for a more advanced player, you can actually participate in tournaments. If you go here, you can play with friends. Those who are online, you can see here. You can play in tournaments like if you go here, 1 second. Yeah, if you click on events, you can see all the events happening. Right now, the server is down, so it's not showing the events. You can also play in tournaments of your own club, like practice. And for you, after every game, it's important that you analyze the game. And playing in tournaments that are in chess.com, you can, I mean, playing with friends. These are all ways in which you can keep the game fun. And another thing is you need to also play a few blitz games, blitz and bullet. Bullet very rarely, but blitz is important. Some people think that playing blitz games is not good for their chess. They just want to think fully and play. But you have to sharpen up your speed up your thinking. So for that you need blitz. So like for every 5 rapid games that you play at least 2 blitz games. It'll keep chess fun for you, and it'll also help you improve your playing speed, and you'll see a lot of positions in blitz. Blitz means like 3+2 or 5 minute games. Rapid is 15-minute games or more. So these are the ways in which you can keep yourself occupied between classes and practice online. And this is something you can do if you're in any level of the game.